Hi, here comes the horse. It's the seventh Chinese zodiac animal. So in Chinese, we say ma, ma. So you see this Chinese character ma, it looks really like a horse. Used to be like a pictogram, but then after some time, it becomes more abstract. But you can still see the four dots, which actually represents the four limbs of the horse. So for people who were born a year of the horse, they're mostly more determined and eloquent, with full of strength, and is a rather strong character, I would say. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out other videos as well. Thank you.